So number 18, we're solving for C, that's the directions. And we have a rational equation here. So I want to find the LCD, but in order to do that, first I want to make sure each denominator is completely simple or completely factored. So C minus 4 does not factor, but C squared minus 16 is a difference of squares. The square root of C squared is C. The square root of 16 is 4. So once I find this LCD, I'm going to multiply the LCD by every part of the equation, and hopefully that denominator will cancel and I won't have a fraction anymore. So when I'm building that LCD, I work from left to right. I'll copy and paste the first denominators, the first fractions denominator down. So that would be C minus 4. Okay, so this denominator is covered. Let's look at this one. So C plus 4, is it written down already? No, it's not. But the C minus 4 is, so it's taken care of. So that LCD is C minus 4, C plus 4. I'm going to write C minus 4 and C plus 4 on the top of every part, and that just, some people just write it out to the side and draw parentheses. I like to write it on the top of each one because it holds me more accountable. It's a visual thing for me. So here the C minus 4 cancels, and you're left with the numerator of 1 and C plus 4. And on the right side, you're left with the numerator of 5, but that's all you're left with because the C minus 4 cancels and the C plus 4 cancels. So now I just want to simplify this out. 1 times C is C, 1 times 4 is 4, equals 5. And you're going to subtract 4 from both sides, and you get 1 equals C. Let's see if we can use that answer. If I plug 1 back in, C minus 1 is not 0. C minus 1. 1 minus 4 is not 0, so we're good there. 1 plus 4 is not 0. 1 minus 4, we've already done that, is not 0. So C minus 1, that is our answer. We can use it. What is an answer that we couldn't use if we got it? If we got an answer of positive 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, so we wouldn't be able to use 4 if we got that as our answer. Or negative 4. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So if you got negative 4, you wouldn't be able to use it as your answer either. But 1 works.